Hi everyone, my name is Liz Chen. I'm the Senior Managing Director at Terasic. Today I'm at the Altera booth at the Embedded World in Nuremberg. And Terasic, we bring an AI artificial intelligence real-time object detection demo, which combines the FPGA AI suite and OpenVINO inference engine. In this object detection demo, our system uses the Agilex Dev FPGA to classify and identify multiple object types in real time through an edge-based video stream. So in this demonstration, the OpenVINO inference engine works seamlessly with the FPGA to manage the real-time video processing and object detection in high efficiency. The process starts with a camera capturing a live video stream, which the host system processes and forwards to the FPGA. The FPGA AI suite then deploys the pre-trained object detection models optimized by the OpenVINO toolkit, and this allows the FPGA to rapidly analyze the incoming data and identify the objects such as vehicles, people, cell phone, and any other object types with high efficiency, precision, and very low power consumption. The host system then sends the result and displays the result on the screen and mark the object in labels and boxes. When the Agilex 7 is accelerating the neural network, the frame rate per second increases significantly. Overall, the demo highlights a robust solution for edge and embedded AI application. If you want to learn more details, please visit terasic.com.